1, 2,
Tapos picture mo.
and 3, blow.
Blow, Lana.
One more.
More, Lana.
Sige,
isa pa.
Ayan. Okay, syempre na birthday niya today. Hindi pa wala birthday wish. Okay, na si mommy tsaka si daddy. Anong birthday wish nila for Alana?
More Jollibees to come. Ay! More Jollibees to come. Sen! Naka-video ka.
Sana maging
Good girl.
mabait siya lagi. Ganyan na lang, baby face. Ano lang. Ayan. Okay, syempre nag-wish na si mama tsaka si daddy. Tanungin natin si Jollibee. Ayan. Jollibee, ano wish mo? Tatlo. Okay, 3 wishes for Alana.
Alana.
Okay, first wish ni Jollibee, sabi si Alana ay lumaking batang maganda at sexy. Ayan, syempre katulad ng kanya, mommy. Ayan, second wish, sabi si Alana ay lumaking batang healthy and strong at hindi sakitin. Ayan, kaya laging healthy. And last wish, sabi si Alana ay lumaking batang always be happy katulad ng best friend, Jollibee. Ayan, okay, palakpakan naman si Jollibee, si magandang brother wish for Alana. Okay, this time we'll have the picture in front of the cake and Jollibee, join ka. Ayan, family picture. And some friends. Ready? Okay, ready, Faye?